In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Notion theme. If you've ever wanted Notion to feel easier on your eyes or better match your personal style, switching themes is the quickest way to do it. Themes control whether Notion appears in light mode, dark mode, or follows your device's settings, and the change is simple and instant. First, open your browser and go to notion.com. Any modern browser will work. If you're not already signed in, you'll see the option to log in on the homepage. Click Login and enter your credentials. Once you're in, your workspace will load. If you use multiple workspaces, just make sure you're in the one you want to customize. The theme applies to your accounts view, not the content itself. Next, find the settings area. Look toward the top of the left sidebar or your account menu. Click Settings to open the control panel for your account. From here, select Preferences. This section contains general options that affect how Notion looks and behaves for you. Within Preferences, look for the Appearance section. This is where the theme lives. You'll see a label for Appearance and a drop-down menu next to it. Click the drop-down menu to reveal your theme choices. Typically, you'll find Light, Dark, and an option that follows your system setting. Light offers a bright, clean look. Dark reduces glare in low-light environments and can be more comfortable during long sessions. The system option is great if you want Notion to automatically switch between light and dark based on your device's schedule. Choose your preferred theme by clicking it. The change will be reflected immediately. There's no save button or extra confirmation. You'll notice the interface update right away, including backgrounds, text contrast, and menus. If it doesn't change instantly, give the page a second or two or click to another page in your workspace and back. That's all there is to it. A couple of quick tips to help you decide. Dark mode can reduce eye strain in dim rooms, while light mode can feel more natural in bright offices. If you switch between environments, the system option keeps things consistent with your device. And remember, you can revisit the same appearance drop-down anytime to adjust the theme again. Nothing is permanent here. To recap, head to notion.com, log in, open settings, go to preferences, find appearance, click the drop-down, and pick the theme that suits you. Your changes appear instantly, so you can test and settle on what feels best. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.